Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a video on removing the badges in the car and fitting new badges. Now you can use this video today to either debadge your car. Some people in the modifying world like to take the badges off. It's called debadging. I'm going to show you some different ways to remove the badges and clean it up. I'm going to work in a BMW X3, a 2017 model. It's M Sport. I usually do videos on my Audi A1, got quite a lot of videos up if you want to check them out. There's a lot of modification, upgrades, reviews. I'm going to start working on my BMW now and change some stuff. So as normal guys, I usually buy my stuff off AliExpress or eBay. Find it a lot cheaper. It's pretty much the same quality than going to a dealership. I'm going to show you some differences between the stuff that I bought today. Which is down here, we've got the X3 black badge. As you can see in the car, the chrome. We're going to change the chrome indicators. These are not actually indicators because I've got the indicators in the wing mirrors. Take away the chrome, put on some black. So we're going to take away the chrome up here. We're going to take away the chrome M. We're going to take away the chrome X drive 2-litre injection badge, and we're going to replace them with blacks. We've also got the X3 badge that goes in the back, and we've got the BMW bonnet badge, which is just M Sport. And then we're going to take off the BMW wheel caps and put on these new M Sport ones. I'll also be doing a video later on, guys, on a steering wheel upgrade for the BMW M Sport. These cars come with the most effective looking M Sport steering wheel that's available, so you have to go aftermarket if you want something a bit more stylish, like carbon fibre. The one I've got is pretty cool, goes with the M Sport theme. So if you look here guys today, oh, camera's a bit falling over. If you look here today guys, we've got these, they come in the box. Check that out. Spinners, no, they're not really. So what happens with these guys is when you install them in the wheel, and you can see the difference here. This is more of the M Sport looking type. These are just the basic BMW ones. These basically, when they sit in, when the car turns, these will sit still like this and they won't spin with the car. They get little weight dispersers in the back, so pretty cool. They won't turn, they'll just sit. Now what I'll do is I'm just gonna jump over to a video from a dealership and how much these would actually cost if you went to a dealership to buy them. I got them off AliExpress for $45 delivered. Original box, and they're pretty much the exact same as the ones that are in the wheel. So let's have a look at that video just now and you'll see the price.
Good. I just wanted to provide an update just on how your car was going.
Okay guys, you've seen the price, bit crazy. For these, if you do order these off AliExpress, get one of these wee plungers that are called dent removers for cars. They're just a little sucker. Get the very small one, and basically just we can just go on, lock it, and there you go. That's how you get that off without having to take the wheel off and pop it off from the back. It's only going to cost you about $2 or $3 from AliExpress. So when you're ordering them online, get one of these guys. Next time we're going to go on to, we've got the X drive badges. They only sent me one, so I'm waiting for the other one to come. But these are, as you can see, it's the black ones. I'm going to go all black on the car, get away from the silver chrome, go silver black. For a pair of these, $21, AliExpress. Move on to the X3 badge. I'll take you around to show you. We'll get the chrome. We're going to change it for the black. This cost me $4 AliExpress. Can't imagine what a dealership would charge for this. And then we've got the... Alright guys, just going to pause it here for a minute. I'm going to jump over to a quick clip of what a dealership would charge for this. Price for the M badge and install. You can see the price difference. And that's going to take away the chrome ones. So, and we'll also get these guys, the side black ones. I'm going to take away the chrome and put in the black ones. The black sides, these cost me $17 AliExpress again. As I say, all the stuff I get from AliExpress is pretty good. I can't really complain about anything that I get from there. So what you're going to need for this today, guys, is plastic. There's going to be a few different options depending on what you've got at home. If you don't have the tools at home, I'm going to show you different ways of what you can use to remove these badges and your do's and don'ts. For starters, do not use a razor blade at any time to remove badges or the double-sided tape. You'll damage your paintwork and then you have to go and get it resprayed. Do not use that. Marker pen you can use. We're going to tape off, and this the reason why we're taping off is to make sure you put the badge in the exact same location so it's straight and the gaps are the same. You don't want it squinty, you don't want the gaps bigger. Don't use a marker, you might accidentally go into the paint and then you're going to have to buff that out and remove it, or find some sort of thinners to remove it. Best way to use, guys, if you get a fishing reel or fishing line, that's going to go behind it, and then you're just going to break the double-sided tape off. Quite a lot of times, guys, just for the smaller ones, you can just push this up in here and it might actually just peel it off. Also, it depends on the age of the car. If the car's really old, that double-sided tape's going to be bonded really hard. It's going to be hardened up and it may be a bit harder to get off. Newer cars, double-sided tape's still a bit soft and it might just come off, peel it off. If you're in maybe colder areas, use a heat gun, heat the double-sided tape up. Just give it a little bit of heat, guys. Don't spend too much time on it. You're just going to burn through, get a bit of heat onto it. It might come off easily. Then once you're off, we've got another few options here. If you're on AliExpress again, guys, get one of these rubber badge removers. This actually buffs the double-sided tape off the paint. Also be careful with this, guys. Don't spend too much time on the double-sided tape. If this is hitting the paint, then it actually burns into the paint, and then it's a nightmare to actually get this rubber off the paint. You have to get all the detailing stuff out. We're going to use this flash prep. This is what it's going to clean up the bodywork before you put the other sticker badges on, so the double-sided tape takes to the paint. If you don't have this, you can use window cleaner. Just make sure it's clean 2 or 3 times, clean the area. It just helps the badge stick to it. So that's basically it, guys. What we're going to do is we're just going to get the masking tape. We're going to mask the badges up. I'm going to use a pencil, and this one's fine because we're just going to mask here, make a square. We'll remove this. This pops out. If you are going to do it in a BMW X3, just use your clip. It should slide 1 or 2 ways. Just slide it and then kind of pull it out. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Let's see. Boom, there you go, just like that. So while we're here, we're just going to stick the black one in. Make sure you're lined up with the lines, you're going the right way. As you can see, there's a spring clip here. There's a little lip here where this is going to sit in. So we're just going to put it on the spring side and then clip it in, just like that. Easy peasy. So that's number 1 done. As you can see, the black with the silver is quite nice. So just give me a second, guys. I'm going to make a bit of room, and then we shall jump on to taping up, penciling up, and I'll show you how to do that, just to mark the areas where you're going to remove it, and then we'll get the fishing line and we'll start peeling off the badges and see what happens. Alright, let's just jump into it. Alrighty guys, so I masked up here. If you want to have a look, I put the masking tape on each side, underneath, close as possible, and then at the bottom I've penciled in exactly where the badge sits. So as you can see on the X is going to slant off here, X drive sits there, the 2 just mark it square, 0 and I. That basically gives me the exact position of where the original badges were. If you've got a badge that's full, it's all connected, you don't need to mark out the individual symbols. It's just because it's one big badge, you basically just do what I did, mask it, remove it, and then the badge just fits back in there. So now we're going to go in with the fishing wire, just going to put it behind it. Alright guys, just going to pause it there. Last time I done badges on a car, they came individual. You used to peel them off, stick them on. So I'm a bit of an old school driveway mechanic. Just realised after installing these that the badge has got 2 sides to it. You've got one side with the sticky film that holds the badge in place, and the other side is the sticky film that comes off the double-sided tape that will attach to the car. So if you want to jump forward to when I do the X3 badge, you'll see you just peel off the double-sided tape film, and the other side keeps the badge intact. So when you put it on, it's all together, and it's a lot easier to do. So just disregard this bit guys, do not stick them on individually. If you do get badges that come individually, follow what I've just done, mark it, add them. But as I just found out, after I realised when I pulled this off, you get 2 sides to the badge, and you just remove one film, and it's easy enough to apply, and then you remove the other film, and boom, you got your badge. So zoom forward to the X3 part and you'll see exactly what I mean. But keep enjoying the video guys, we'll get back to it. Alrighty, so I used the rubber piece in the drill. Double-sided tape came off pretty easy. As you can see, it's all cleared up. A tiny bit of leftover residue there. I would say guys, just with your pencil marking, because when I was using the rubber I was hitting the masking tape and you might actually lose your pencil marking. So if you do it, definitely bring the markings down a bit more, and that way, because the rubber is going to hit this masking and start actually rubbing the pencil off. So just make the markings a bit lower and you should be pretty good. We're going to do the M badge also, and we'll stick on the new badges. Alrighty, so we've got the indicator black cover in, we get the M black cover badge, and we get the X drive 2 litre injection. We're just going to quickly stick in our, where does it work, spinner, and we'll just use this simple pop in. And when the wheel turns, they'll just sit in there and look pretty cool. So this is just more or less an M Sport upgrade. I'm coming away from the chrome and going for black. We do have the black tinted windows. As you see, we get X drive now, we get the M badge and the M indicator. We will be moving on to the bonnet once we clear up this mess. We will be putting on the X3. It's the exact same as the X drive. Just put the masking tape on, line it up. At 2, looks a little bit squint, so I'm just going to probably adjust that a little bit. But basically guys, that's how you remove badges from your car, the safe way and how not to do it. I'll give you the options on how to do it. Also, as you can see from the videos, on the wheel cap covers, if you go to a dealership, the costs of them and what the prices are if you just get it yourself. Simple tools, simple removal, the cost of the wheel cap covers, just find that pretty crazy to what you can buy them for. Same with the M badges, but that's just the price of dealerships, guys. They charge what they charge. It's the same with any dealership you go to. It's just the way it is. As I said, if you're kind of handy yourself, these are the options of buying them and doing them yourself. I will move on to the X3 badge in the bonnet. The bonnet badge is pretty much the same. Just pop it off. I'll be using the trim remover because the badge is much bigger and thicker. It should pop off with that. If not, I'll use the fishing line and the X3 badge in the back. Just the exact same, guys, as what I've shown you. I really do hope this can help someone. I love making these videos. I love helping people. Just a driving mechanic, do my own stuff, save money. Please subscribe, guys. Please like the video. Please comment, ask a question. I'll try and help you the best I can. If you do get stuck with any of this, just reach out, send me a question in the comment box. I'll reply pretty quick on it. And I hope you like it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.